Hey, I'm back. It's your Ishi girl again. And now, I will be performing task 2 of our science activity and still about heterogeneous mixtures. The materials needed are 1 transparent glass, 25 ml warm water, 5 medium size guava leaves, and a disposable soup. Okay, let's do the activity proper. First, we are going to fill the glass with warm water, half fill. Second, we are going to pound the washed guava leaves using a mortar and pestle. Since I don't have that, I'm going to pound it this way. Next is mix the guava leaves to the glass with warm water. Next, we are gonna mix it thoroughly. Here we can see the guava leaves doesn't dissolve in warm water. Therefore, the solution is a heterogeneous mixture. Next, we will observe and place the mixture on a flat surface for 5 minutes and let us see what happens. So after setting aside for 5 minutes, the guava leaves or the solid particles did sink at the bottom of the glass. The water took on some color and flavor from the guava leaves, but it remains visually distinct from the guava particles. Because the guava particles do not dissolve fully in the water, the mixture is heterogeneous where the components remain separated and the mixture is not uniform throughout. Thank you! Bye! Ikaw muna.